Okay, so this is part 2 of our Ubud walking tour. We're going to start in Jalan Raya Ubud, which is the main street of Ubud. We're going to start outside the Ubud market, and we're going to have, as we walk along the street, we're going to have the market on our right, we're going to have Starbucks Cafe on our left, and we're going to walk along Jalan Raya Ubud, and we're looking for Gautama. So this is one of my 3 favourite streets in Ubud: Gautama, Dewi Sita and Kana. What we're going to do is basically a horseshoe, a little loop, and we're going to end up back at the Ubud market. So we're looking for a restaurant cafe on our right called Simply Social, and once we find that, we have found Gautama. So here it is, Simply Social. So we turn right here and we walk down Gautama. The good thing about Gautama is no cars. Same with Kana, Jalan Kana, which is the market street. No cars, only bikes allowed. Jalan Goutama is one of my favourite streets in Ubud, and I guess it's because it has such a variety of shops. There are shoe shops and jewellery shops, as well as cafes with great coffee. There are also juice bars, restaurants, really stylish restaurants, or if you're just looking for something quick and simple and well priced, some great little warungs. There are also a few spas and ice cream shops down there, and there are some very cool boutiques with clothing that you wouldn't find so much in other parts of Bali.
This is a Prince Coffee and Kitchen, the most popular restaurant in and the handsome barista in here.
Okay, so when we come to the end of Jalan Goutama, we're looking at the Golden Monkey restaurant there, straight ahead. We turn right here and we're now into Jalan Dewi Sita. This is really good for shopping, and by the way, the Golden Monkey is well worth going to check out if you feel like a Chinese meal. So we don't have to walk very far along Jalan Dewi Sita, and then we come to Jalan Kana on our right. This is going to take us back up to the Ubud market, and it's a really colourful street. Lots of umbrellas, lots of little bits and pieces that you can take home as a souvenir. Also some smaller hotels up here, and I'm going to show you one. I'm going to actually make a video on it, but I'm going to show you very briefly one of them which I stayed at. Now there is an abundance of accommodation in Ubud, and these large hotels all have spas and pools and restaurants and so forth, but I'm sure there are people that are wanting to stay at something a little bit smaller and a little bit more intimate, so I will be doing a couple of separate videos on 3 properties in Ubud similar to this one, and they range from about $30 to $50 a night. So here we are guys, we're back in front of the market in Ubud. We've done a little circle tour and seen 3 of what I think are the more interesting streets in Ubud for shopping and eating and walking. Don't forget, Ubud's not just about shopping. There are some other really cool things that you can do up there. There are some great spas in Ubud, some great galleries. It's a good place to look for antiques. Yoga's a big deal in Ubud, as is cookery school, and probably the most famous of all is the Casaluna cooking school in Ubud. And also don't forget the rice fields, Tegalalan rice fields. So that's a little journey around Ubud, and we will catch you guys soon. Ciao, ciao.